UKG, welcome back to your GK class. Hope you all are staying well. So today we are going to continue with the same topic which we have done in the last class. What is that? Healthy food. Healthy food. Tell me how many of you are actually eating healthy food? Fruits you are eating, vegetables you are eating. How many of you are there? Quickly tell me. Write your name. Ma'am, I am eating healthy food. Ma'am, I am eating healthy food. So you should always take healthy food. Junk food, what is that? What is junk food? Do you know? UKG ki jane? UKG children, do you know what is junk food? Junk food is something which is not good for health. Not good for health. If you go outside and if you eat street food and then restaurant food, these are actually not good for health. You know, sometimes when you eat lot of chocolates, you get stomach ache. You get stomach ache. So that is not good for health. Eating ice cream daily, not good. Then burger, pizza, French fries, all these food you should not take. Say no to them. Say no to them. Okay. So today we will again learn few good and healthy food names and some junk food names. Now what you have to do, UKG? You have to learn the names. You have to know. If I ask you, suppose if I say, can you name one fruit which is good for your health? Can you name one fruit? Yes, you can. What is the name of that fruit? You can say apple, you can say banana, you can say watermelon. So you can say anything if you know. যদি তোমরা ভালো করে এই নেমসগুলো মুখস্থ করো এবং জানো তাহলে তোমরা সব আনসার দিতে পারবে, রাইট ইউকেজি? সো ইউ ক্যান আনসার এভরিথিং. নাও ইফ আই আস্ক ইউ which food we should say no to, which food we will say no? Junk food. Name one food or give one example. Which one you will say? You can say anything. Burger, you can say pizza, chocolates, ice creams, French fries, right? Egg roll, eating outside. These are not good at all. Okay? So, let's go and watch the video. Okay? So, UKG, let's start. Can you see? First one, red color fruit. What is it called? Strawberry. What is it called? Strawberry. It's a juicy fruit. Okay? Next one, pomegranate. Pomegranate. Now, this is also of red color, dark red color. It's very good for health. So, this comes under healthy food. Next one, grapes. Grapes can be of green color, black color, purple color, right? You can see the colors also here. So grapes are also good for health. What is the taste? It's sour in taste, right? I hope everyone in this class loves to eat what? Grapes and strawberry, right? Let's see some other picture. Spellings we will do later on, okay? Now see another picture at the top. Guava. Guava. The outer cover is hard, but inner we get soft part, fleshy part, right? And this is also very good for health. We should take guava daily. And next one you can see, it's cucumber. Cucumber, green in color. Shape is long one, right? So we use this as salad. We use this as salad. Every day we should keep this item in our salad. What's this at the top? Lady's finger. What is it called? Lady's finger. Okay, what is it called? Lady's finger. Vegetable. Vegetable. So we are doing mix and match. Vegetables and fruits together we are doing. Always remember, any green color vegetable is very good for your health, eyes, your skin, hair, for your growth, for the tissues to repair, okay, for the blood to purify. So for everything, always have green leafy vegetables, fruits you should have, and milk is always compulsory. What is the next picture you can see? It's cabbage. It is called cabbage. This picture is called cabbage. Okay. Now this is also a type of vegetable. So these vegetables you should add in your diet chart, or we can say in your meal. Okay. And we all should have this type of vegetables, fruits. Clear? Now what we should not have, what is wrong for us? Let's see. Now see this. What is it? These are what? Junk food, right? Junk food. This is wrong for us. So we should not have this. See what are the names? This is, I think, hot dog, french fries, pizza. Then you have got tacos, burger. All these things you should not have. You should say no to this. You should say no to this. See this one? Pictures are looking at you, asking you what? Come near to me, eat me. But what will you say? No. What will you say? No, we will not eat you. Not at least regularly. See, here you have cold drink, popcorn, french fries, ice cream, sandwiches. Then you have burger, you have hot dog, you have pizza. So these are all what? Junk food. So we should not eat them. These are all junk food. Clear? So these are not good for health. Clear? Now take out your GK copy. What you will do? Let's see if we can draw few pictures and we can write the names of those pictures. Okay? So today our topic is what? Healthy food, right? Healthy food. Okay? What is the date today? Now we have seen few pictures. What are those? We have seen this picture. Red color. What is this called? Strawberry. Strawberry. All of you write the spelling, draw the picture with me as I am drawing. STRAW, straw, BERRY, berry, strawberry. This is healthy food. Done. Now guava. See, I am not good at this, still I am trying. You also try. One slice of guava. 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 Clear? Done. Next one. Now we have seen pomegranate, right? So we can draw like this. Can we draw like this? I think you can recognize this. Pomegranate. Okay. Let's write the spelling. POMEGRANATE. O M E G R A N A T E. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Done. Let's see the next one. Now recognize this. It's easy to recognize. You make slices of it. Use in your salad. Cucumber. Correct. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Clear? Now, junk food. So we will say no to this whenever we will see the pictures or the food in front of us. We will say no to this. What is this? The favorite one which you all like but you should not eat. What is it? Pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. Okay, P-I-Z-Z-A. Next, tell me what is this? Burger. B-U-R-G-E-R. Burger. B-U-R-G-E-R. Not good for health. Give a cross. Give a cross. Okay? Not good for health. Now tell me what is this? We get it in a packet. French fries, no? French fries. French fries. So, are they good for health? No, ma'am. They are not at all good for health. So, you will not have these food items. Okay? So, UKG, you have already learnt this topic called healthy food. You have seen the pictures. Please go through the pictures. Not only the pictures, you get all these items at home. Healthy food items you get at home. So ask mama to show you everything. Okay? Fruits, vegetables, milk you drink, so you know it very well. So these items should be kept in your diet chart every day in your meal to be strong, healthy, keep yourself fit and fine. So that you don't fall sick, so that no diseases can harm you. Okay? And avoid eating junk food. Avoid eating junk food. So we have completed this topic. Now we need to go for exercise. So I will send you a few exercise. You have to do it. Complete the work and you will send me in the Google Classroom. Done? So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.